Today we review graphing systems of inequalities. So because we have two variables, we're going to need an x-y axis. So here's x, y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first one here I can tell is in the format of a line. So this is y, and right now we're going to see this as equals mx plus b. So b is my y-intercept, so I'm starting at -4 on the y-axis. My slope is rise 2, left 3. So rise 2, left 3. Rise 2, left 3. This is going to be a solid line because we have the equal sign, so that means I want to include everything. And then this here's my y-axis, here's my y-axis right here. The y values on the y-axis are greater or above the lines. The lines down here, I want the y values that are greater. So that means I'm going to be shading above the line. Okay, this here is an absolute value graph. Its vertex is opposite h, so 3, 2. It opens up, and we should let's find the y-intercept right away. So for the y-intercept, I put 0 in here. So I'm going to go y is less than 0 minus 3 plus 2. So 0 minus 3 is -3. The absolute value of -3 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So my y-intercept is 5, 0, 5. So left, right, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There also will be another point. Now I can see I'm 3 units away here, so 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, make another 1, 3 over here because it's symmetric. So there's my absolute value. It is not a solid line because I don't have the equal to, so make sure I clearly make it dashed, and also this way. And then this one, so here's the absolute value graph, that's this part. Y-axis is this part. And I want my y's to be less than where the value is. So here it touches here, so I'm going to be shading. I'm going to be shading inside of here. Okay, so this one's shading above the line. This one's shading under the absolute value. So in the end, my double shade is between the line and the absolute value graph, just like that. And this area is not included because it doesn't work in both. And that area is not included. All right, letter B. Same concept. This time we have parabolas. So 1, 3 is this one's vertex. It is opening upwards. Let's see where it's going to touch y again. So if I plug 0 in here real quick, -1 squared is 1 plus 3 is 4. So I'm touching y at 4. This one will be dashed because I do not have an equal sign. This is my y-axis. Here's x. My y-axis is under the parabola. So the parabola touches it right here. My y values are under, so I'm shading under the parabola. Okay, next one. Again, we have a parabola. Its vertex is -2, 4. This one's opening downward. So I'm going to be going down. And let's see where I touch the y. So doing this one over here. 2 squared is 4. And then I have a minus in front, so that says keep it negative. So this is touching at 0, 0. Probably also over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I do 4 in negative 4, plus 2 is negative 2, squared is 4. So yep, it's like that. And this one's going to be solid. Oops, I kind of missed that dot. We'll just make it bigger. And this one is shading under again as well. So here I am touching the y-axis right here. I want outputs or y's under, so I'm shading under here. So my double shade in the end turns out to be everything underneath this parabola. And that's it.